top headlines for the day.
Salman Khan suddenly vanished and fans were wondering where he disappeared. Yes, and guess what? He is in Hong Kong. Yes, selfies taken by his fans with him have been seen on social media and Salman is enjoying with them. So what is Salman doing in Hong Kong? Is he there to meet his Tube Light co-star Suzu? Or is he planning his next film there? Whatever the case be, it sure is something important for amidst the shooting for Tube Light and the reality show Bigg Boss. Salman sure does not have time, but he did take out time for Hong Kong. So what is up in the Salman quarters is the question, and what could he be doing in Hong Kong? Any guesses? So it is now Hrithik Roshan maybe and not Salman Khan as said before in the third part of Race the movie. Yes, for apparently Bhai does not have dates and is not free till 2018. He is working on Tiger Zinda Hai and the third part of Dabangg and would not have much time. Well, we did think that Dabangg Bhaijaan would have done great with his stint in Race, which is a combo of action and handsome hunks. Hrithik is no different any which way, and after the long drawn Mohenjo-daro and now the quicker Kabil, we guess Hrithik is surely the right choice. Provided of course the Roshan lad does like the scripts and okays it. Knowing Hrithik's stints, he always does well in home productions, so would he say yes to his third part of action-packed thrilling stunts? How would you like to see Hrithik in Race 3, and are you sad Salman would not be a part of the series? Yes, years back Salman himself had acted in it and now it is gonna be Varun Dhawan in the second part. However, Varun would be having Salman too in the flick as he would be playing Godfather Gunda, a twist in the kahani. For those who have come in late, Judwaa is a film that really took the public by storm and everyone got into the genre of Salman kind of comedy. Remains to be seen how much Varun would be able to endorse the same feeling. With word of Salman's inclusion in the flick, fans have been really happy and excited and one only wishes to have a great film to their benefit. How would you like to see Salman in the Judwaa series again? And we are still to experience his male bonding with Varun. What say? Yes, if you had liked Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, then you joined the group of people who have now brought the flick to the 100 crore level. Yes, for all those who wish to have it different, the Kejo movie was met with a mixed reaction. People have always been liking Karan Johar movies, however, this time the flick did enter controversies and continues to. Yet, we give credit to Aishwarya Rai for her bold look in the flick, which perhaps catapulted the film's watchability quotient. Also, her chemistry with Ranbir was mind-blowing and people were vying to watch the two together once the world got around. Also, the presence of King Khan's cameo really made the difference. All in all, the movie has crossed the 100 crore mark and globally has grossed more than 250 crores. So here is the big thing from the Johar camp and we dig his popularity. What about you? Shah Rukh Khan recently said on Karan Johar's show that Alia is dating every second actor. Oh my god, how is that SRK has said this about his Dear Zindagi co-star is what we were wondering. Well, it was all in jest and humor, and after all, this is what camaraderie is all about. Well, when Karan Johar asked Shah Rukh about who Alia is dating, King Khan said that she is seeming to be dating every second guy. Well, Alia said that she could not be dating 3 or 4 at a time. Then Karan Johar and Shah Rukh pulled her legs about her alleged boyfriend. Alia and Shah Rukh would soon be seen in their upcoming flick Dear Zindagi, and theirs was the first pair on day 1 of Karan Johar's Coffee with Karan Season 5. What is your opinion about this caution between SRK and Alia? Shiva Ishwar is out to prove that things can be successful but has not succeeded as well as the Kejo movie. For while the movie seemed to be doing well, it has reached the 90 crores mark this Tuesday. The collections are steady and now we have the camaraderie of sorts with box office and Shivai. Yes, as Shiva inches towards the 100 crore mark, fans are only eagerly waiting to see more from their idol. However, there is more to go while Shiva hits the top, and the present fortnight collections seem to have brought the flick under observation. The movie starring Ajay Devgan, Erika Carr and Abigail, the movie came into public view with a 3-minute long kiss in the song Darkhast. How do you view the movie's performance? Yes, Divyanka Tripathi, the popular tele-star recently married Vivek Dahiya, is in Australia on her husband's first birthday post-wedding, and she sent this heartwarming message to her spouse. Aww, isn't that so cute? Yes, she does say she misses him like crazy and says she would punish herself by partying harder with him. The jodi of Divyanka and Vivek is a diggable quotient, and after her uploads of pictures and videos from Vivek's first ones, really feels sorry that the love pair aren't together. Divyanka is in Australia to shoot for an important twist in her serial. Well, Divya Ishwar is thankful to friends like Karanveer Bohra, Sandeep, and thanks them in her social media message. And Divyanka, here is wishing your husband a very happy birthday. Aren't you happy that the girl you saw married recently is so happy with her partner, and don't you feel sorry that she is not with him on this day? Oh my god! Abhishek Bachchan has not yet seen Aishwarya Rai in her recent Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. We do know that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has a great chemistry between Ranbir and Aishwarya, who have shared some of the most hot scenes till date. Anyway, now that the Bachchan guy has said he has not seen the movie, does this mean that all that was said about the Bachchan family not liking as seen does not arise? So after all, maybe Abhishek would surely appreciate Ash in her professional scenes. What say? Aishwarya Rai and Ranbir Kapoor shared a great bond in Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and everyone was raving about the scenes she had with the Kapoor lad. With Abhishek still to see the movie, we are only wondering what his reaction would be to the sensuality shown for Ash. What do you say? Rohit Shetty, Ajay's director for Golmaal, said that Ajay has done a fab job in Shivai. The flick had a pre-Diwali release and clashed with Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and is steadily doing well towards crossing the crore markings. Rohit has always done humor films with Ajay and has liked to see this avatar of his Golmaal star. Ready to start the next set of Golmaal in the flick series, Ajay and Rohit are a pair one cannot help enjoy. Shivai is full of action, adventure and thrill, and the locals are wonderful. It opened to a light response and then picked up collection. Rohit's praise for Ajay comes a little before he is to collaborate for the Golmaal series. Rohit has also worked with SRK, and now with the next in Golmaal line, we are looking forward to something different and new. Henna.